harmonic minor arpeggios. Back down. Once again. So an arpeggio is just all the notes in a chord played like a scale. So this is in a, the chord we're talking about here is actually a minor major chord. Minor major 7th. Very dissonant, but it fits the harmonic minor scale. The full harmonic minor scale, as I showed in yesterday's lesson, is then, so 2 octaves. Like that. So the arpeggio is just playing through the chord notes of the first chord in that harmonic minor scale. And it's a great finger exercise. If nothing else, it's great for string skipping in your right hand and your left hand getting used to this particular scale. So here's the arpeggio. I'm playing in A minor. So it's 1, 3, 5, and 7, and 8. Then continuing on. And it's a nice challenge here because you have a big stretch here and you have to bar part of it. So especially for your right hand, it's good to be able to skip cleanly, and your left hand being able to articulate as well and not let the notes ring out too long. So then going back down. Like that. So as I mentioned yesterday, this is good for playing, there are definitely classical tunes or songs that feature the minor major chord. But the flamenco progression, the classic flamenco progression, is A minor, G, F major to E major. Santana Smooth uses 3 of those 4 chords: A minor, F major, E major. And using these arpeggios over that song will work just great. This is the appropriate scale and arpeggios to use over that song. So it makes for a great exercise. I'll do it one more time. For articulation of the right hand and the left hand. So I hope this is useful to you. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe.